Two-factor authentication is a way to add an extra level of security when you log in into your Google account. This way, you can prevent people with malicious intent from accessing your Google account without your permission. If you want to learn more about 2FA or two-factor authentication, please check this playlist on this YouTube channel. And go to accounts.google.com and then you log in into your account that you need to activate the two-factor authentication. Okay, while you are on your dashboard, you need to scroll on security, click on it, and then you'll scroll down and then you'll see the two-step verification. Right now it is off and I need to turn it on. Okay, I'll click this button, blue button, turn on two-step verification. Okay, it has shown me that there's a Google prompt and phone number that is done. So I'll need to add an authenticator app. I'll set up an authenticator app. You need to click can't scan it, get the key. Okay, copy the code, the whole code, then copy. And then I'll go to my Google and now I need to go to my Google Authenticator and I'll make sure that I'm not logged in with the account that I am activating my two-factor authentication, because that way you can access your account easily using another Gmail. I'm not sure if you are getting it, but don't use the email that you are logged in into your Authenticator app to set up your Google 2FA. Okay, I'll click the add button and I'll set up the key. You can see a black screen because Google Authenticator doesn't allow screenshotting or screen recording. I'll paste in the key and then I'll add. So after adding it, I need to note down the number 951026 and then next 449621. I need to verify. So I've just added my Authenticator app and also add your number and a Google prompt and a recovery phone for you to easily recover your Google account in case anything goes wrong. For more productivity tips and tutorials, follow us.